Right now, your left hand on the low part, you're opening like this, which I personally think takes more time. It's a larger hand path than doing this. Here's a drill that you could do to work on that, which it would be come low to here, then up to your shoulder where you turn your palm forward, and then come back down and low to here, and then up to your shoulder, and low to here, up to your shoulder. Just that could be useful in helping you get accustomed to it. That's literally the chasing the sun pattern with that one hand, where you're doing these 3 rotations. And if you did it the other way, it would be up, down, front, up, down, front, up, down, front. So it's a matter of whether you're moving behind you from bottom to top, like this, or you're moving behind you from top to bottom, like that. Either way, your palm is forward up top and backward down bottom. And you're basically doing this motion so that you're switching using your elbow between palm front and palm back. But it's not just the elbow, because you have to rotate the shoulder. If you're struggling with your left hand in chasing the sun, you can start out just by doing a couple of repetitions of it, but then put on some music that you love and see, okay, what's it like when I just do that with that one arm? How do I move my body? How do I speed it up and slow it down? And that way you can simultaneously be drilling the technique while you're also adding expression and exploring what it's like to move your body with the poi at the same time, in a low risk sort of endeavor.